The Honda CB400 was first launched in 1975 as part of the Super Sport line. The bike quickly attracted attention thanks to its sleek design, 408 cubic centimeters air-cooled four-cylinder engine, and iconic 4-into-1 exhaust. Despite being produced for only a short time until 1977, the CB400 holds a special place in the hearts of classic motorcycle enthusiasts due to its agile performance, distinctive four-cylinder sound, and elegant cafe racer styling. The motorcycle also symbolizes Honda's golden era in developing lightweight yet powerful sport motorcycles. Even after production ceased, the CB400 continued to inspire numerous retro models and custom builders worldwide. Technically, its spiritual successor can be found in the CB400 Super Bol series introduced in the 1990s, which brought back the four-cylinder configuration but with a more modern design and technological approach. Though it doesn't carry the same 4 name, this series still retains the original spirit of the CB400 in terms of agility and riding style. Recently, rumors about the return of the CB400 have been growing louder, along with news that Honda is developing a mid-capacity inline four-cylinder engine. With the growing trend of retro-modern motorcycles and market interest in classic four-cylinder engines, the likelihood of seeing a new version of the CB400 is quite high. Moreover, many major manufacturers are now responding to nostalgia by bringing back their legendary models in a fresher and more advanced form. One intriguing design interpretation comes from renowned designer Oberdan Bezi, who envisioned a modern concept for the Honda CB400. In his renderings, there is a harmonious blend of classic heritage and contemporary touches. The iconic red fuel tank with the 404 logo, an exposed inline-4 engine, and round headlights with LED technology and a digital speedometer. The slim seat inspired by the Kawasaki Z900RS and spoked wheels further emphasize the retro-modern aura of this motorcycle. However, it is important to note that this design is an independent creation by Oberdan Bezi and not an official design from Honda.